Are you fed up of high blood pressure?
And always thinking on how to calm your nerves?
We just got a solution for you.
Introducing Sound of the Heart.
A music therapy that depends on the heartbeat and blood pressure of the patient.
Record. A device that lets you record heart rate and blood pressure, then send its data to a cloud server.
Harmony. Depending on the highness of either heart rate or blood pressure equates to the calmness of the music. Classical music will be the main genre for the music. Music from this composers generally have slow tune with repeated calming rhythms. Classical music ranging from 60 to 100 beats per minute (BPM) are usually calm. Cloud server to doctors. After the music session, record again heart rate and blood pressure, then send its data to a cloud server for reviewing. Our goal is to help folks who have having a hard time because of their blood pressure while still enjoying classical music.
How does it work?
Check. The user records with the use of the device.
Music. The device then will calculate on what song to play depending on the data gathered.
Save. The device will then send all before and after statistics to a cloud server.
How does it look like?
The device may probably look like this, with the exception that it will have a USB connector.
How about the application?
The GUI will look like this, focusing on a more minimalist design. Record starts recording of blood pressure and data lets you see all data sent to the cloud, as well as local data. What are its related studies?
Studies from a trusted website says that classical music can reduce blood pressure.
This is our predicted timeline in developing the application. Sometimes music is the only medicine the heart and soul need. Let's fight uncontrolled high blood pressure and bradycardia with
Sound of the Heart.